Hello, Software Guy here with a new video, and if you've been noticing FPS drops while gaming on your PC and you're using the NVIDIA app, this video will walk you through a few steps to potentially fix the issue. This is a simple process that involves tweaking your NVIDIA Control Panel settings, updating your GPU drivers, and cleaning up your system cache. You won't need to download anything sketchy or mess with any dangerous settings. It's all safe and built into Windows and NVIDIA's tools. Let's go step by step. Start by heading to your desktop and right-clicking anywhere on the empty space. In the context menu, select Show More Options, then click NVIDIA Control Panel. If you don't see that option, you can also just press the Start button, type NVIDIA Control Panel, and launch it from there. Once it opens, look to the left-hand side and click on Manage 3D Settings, then switch to the Global Settings tab. Now scroll down until you see an option called Shader Cache Size. Click on the drop-down next to it and set it to Disabled. Once that's done, click Apply in the bottom right corner of the window. This change might help stop the shader cache from interfering with certain games and causing FPS drops, especially after driver updates. Next, restart your computer to make sure the setting is fully applied. After your PC reboots, open the NVIDIA app by typing NVIDIA in the Start menu and launching the official NVIDIA application. Inside the app, click on the Drivers tab on the left side. Here, you'll see a drop-down to choose between two types of drivers: Game Ready Driver, GRD, best if your main use is gaming; Studio Driver, SD, recommended if you mainly use your PC for creative work like video editing, design, etc. For gaming, select Game Ready Driver, then hit Download. Once it finishes downloading, follow the installation steps to update your driver. Newer drivers often contain performance improvements and bug fixes that could resolve FPS-related problems, especially when used with recent games. Now that your driver is updated, we're going to clear the old cache files from your system. Go back to the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. Open the Disk Cleanup utility, then click the Cleanup System Files button. Once the list refreshes, scroll down and make sure DirectX Shader Cache is checked. You can also check any other boxes for things you want to clean, but the shader cache is the one that matters here. Click OK, then delete files when prompted. This will clear out outdated cached data that can sometimes conflict with newer drivers and cause stutters or FPS drops in games. Now that we've cleared the old cache, we want to go back and re-enable it. But this time, we'll let the driver manage it by default. So once again, open the NVIDIA Control Panel, go back to Manage 3D Settings, find the Shader Cache Size option, and this time set it to Driver Default. Click Apply at the bottom of the window to save the changes. Finally, restart your computer one more time. This refreshes everything: your updated drivers, your shader cache settings, and gives your system a clean start. If you notice an improvement or if you ran into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, consider giving it a like or subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.